Hi guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel. This is Awande Luthuli, also known as Mr. Manandi Nandi. If it is your first time on this channel, I would like to humbly ask you to please press that subscribe button and join this wonderful family. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much, man, for clicking on today's video. So, fun fact. As you guys know, that I'm a UKZN student, so I decided that, you know what, let me do a video where I'm sharing with you the things that I love about University of KwaZulu-Natal. So I will just share only 5. So without policing any massacre, without wasting any time, let us get into it. So guys, the things that I love about UKZN. But firstly, I think, you know, the first thing that I'm going to share with you is based on Pietermaritzburg campus, because that is where I'm at. So I'm at UKZN Pietermaritzburg campus, you know. So yeah, the first thing that I'm going to share with you, Nje, it's based on UKZN Pietermaritzburg campus. You know, our campus, Pietermaritzburg campus, is near the mall, you know. So, and where I am staying as well, it's also near the mall. I'm staying at Malhebe residence, you know. So it's maybe 3 to 5 minute walk if you go to the mall. So for me, that is what I love the most, because in most cases you will find me there, because I'm not that person who buys everything at once. So I buy whatever that I need at that time. So I'm that kind of a person. So yeah, that is what I love about our campus. So secondly, what I love about UKZN, so University of KwaZulu-Natal guys always try by all means, you know, to assist students who do not perform well. As you know, guys, that I'm that person. So yeah, so who do not perform well on their academics, right? So they have psychologists that are in place or that are available for you, or for you as a student, you know. They also give extra tutors as well. They assign a mentor for you, you know, and many other things which are good, you know. So for me, that showed me that University of KwaZulu-Natal is really aspiring greatness, you know, because even the lecturers are going an extra mile on their availability for consultation. So for me, when they always try to assist those students who are not performing well, man, that's what I love the most about UKZN. So yeah, number 3, you know, students, you know, they are always allowed to form and be part of any organization that they choose. So that they choose inside the university. So you are not forced to be part of a certain organization, you know, but you will be part of the organization that you choose or that you love, you know. And which brings me to the 4th point, because I think they are linked. Yeah. So when you are at University of KwaZulu-Natal, you will be in a very welcoming space or place, because there are people who are coming from different backgrounds, you know, and people who have different ideas as well. So people of different ideas, so everyone is welcomed, you know. It means there is a diversity within the university, you know. So I think this point is linked with the 3rd point. So it's 1 point, but it's linked with the 3rd point, you know. So yeah, man, you are always welcome, and you are always allowed to form any organization within the university, or be part of any organization. So it means that for me, for me as a person who is, who is a Christian, I am able to be part of any organization that will give me what I want, and another person can be part of any organization within the university as well. So yeah, number 4, because the third point was linked with the fourth point. Number 4, people who are performing well on their academics, they are given a chance, of bursaries with the university, and even with other stakeholders that are in partnership with University of KwaZulu-Natal, and they are also given the trophies as well. I know few students who got trophies, trophies and certificates. They do recognize their excellent performance. I also have a friend of mine who was given as well a chance to go and study overseas because he performed well on that semester. I think, if I'm not mistaken, he went to Canada. I'm not going to mention his name, but he went to Canada for a semester to study there. So they are given that chance. That's what I love the most as well about University of KwaZulu-Natal. And lastly, the university also support students, or the university support their students who are entrepreneurs, right? They provided training for their students who are entrepreneurs, right? There are also competitions for those students, right? So they do support studentpreneurs. They are aware that there are students within the university who have businesses, So they always try as well to always support them on what they are doing, besides being a student, but they are also aware that there are people who are entrepreneurs, so they support them. They give you even the training. So I think you saw even the thumbnail of this video. So yeah, man, that thumbnail. I'm wearing this T-shirt, right, and that notebook as well that we were given on. Let me check. Sorry, we were given on an entrepreneurship skills program, which was done by UKZN Incubate. So we went for a training as well, as entrepreneurs. So that's what I love the most about UKZN. So yeah. That is the end of the video. So below, just tell us what do you love the most about your university, where you are. But besides that, guys, please like the video and share this video with other with your friends, with your family, with everyone that you know, even on social media as well. I would really appreciate that. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video till this far. Man, but for now, Awande Luthuli, also known as Mr. Manandi Nandi, signing out.